What's up, people? Welcome to Barber. I am in the nosebleeds of the pits. Here, check it out. Literally in the back of everything. Oh, wow, that's bright. Let's turn that down. There you go. I just dropped my crap between some other trailers and anyway, got going. So, the only big news I have is I've switched from Dunlop, which I've been running for the past 3 or 4 race weekends. I've switched from Dunlops back to Pirelli because frankly the Kawasaki and Dunlops just, it doesn't match up very well. It's like oil and water basically. So back on Pirellis, I've done 1 practice session with them, felt great, ran a 39.5, basically first time on back on Pirellis in maybe 6 to 8 months, something like that. Using the 190/60 rear, which is the new rear they're using in Super Sport. That's about it. I'm registered for C Super Bike, C Super Stock, and B Super Bike. First time. I hear that there's a lot of good racing in there. I hear that's really good to get a tow from some of the faster guys who run in the B class. I'm trying to get faster, obviously, so I want to get around fast people, and I want to like focus on just trying to go faster instead of trying to like place better, which is what I would be doing in C Super Bike, C Super Stock. That's it. Getting ready for the races, guys, it was exciting. Never did a B Superbike race before. I was kind of nervous about being with the bigger bikes. Getting set up was easy enough, so jumping right into it. If you want to see those races, here's some race footage from the B Superbike race. I actually recorded some of my faster times, but notice on lap 3 there. Go ahead and check the link in the upper right-hand corner to go to that full race with no commentary. It's actually quite interesting, I think, anyway. If you want to capture footage like this, please check out the chin mounts link below. It's pretty awesome. It lets you mount a camera to your chin of your helmet. C Superbike didn't fare so well for Stephen Gerd. He actually had a front tire overpressure situation, which caused him to drop back through the field pretty significantly from a top position of about 5th. It was fun passing him anyway. Sorry, Stephen. Had to put that in there. was an opening couple of corners, was it not? Wow. Okay, so let's pick up the pace here, boy. You're a little bit slow today. Well, all year. Never mind. Don't worry about that. Faster. Yes, come through the flip-flop. I don't know the numbers of these corners. I think turn 8 is museum, and this is like 9, 10. Does that sound right? All the way out. Whoa! The tires were cold, and I pushed hard enough on the opening lap. Both tires were sliding out. That was a fun one. And then I ran wide here, because again, the front's pushing because it's cold. Not really a heavy braking track, so you can't heat up the carcass as well as maybe you could at other places. Man. Let's go, dude. 13 of 21. I always start well because I have whatever points enough to be high up on the grid, so I start at the top, 5th or whatever it was this race. And then these guys are coming down the straight. At least I don't have, I'm not losing power. Here comes James. Maybe? Yeah, boy. Just throwing it in there. Ah, Kenneth coming around. I love this bike, by the way. The green on it. Oh, it's immaculate. He's got the same year model bike as I do, so I got to make sure I keep a mental note of what they can look like. Because mine's kind of a beater at the moment. Up over the hill, full stick. Kind of rolling off still. We're going to work on that. Obviously, this was last year, but we're going to work on that. The brakes coming into Charlotte's Web wasn't fun. Like that. The bike chassis was still set up for Dunlops, so I kind of had like the front higher than I should have. Probably higher than you should have with Dunlops. Not to mention going to Pirellis, but whatever. Hey, you know what? They're not leaving me, so there's a big crowd in front of me. It's just like whatever it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's 8 of us in a line, plus the guys behind us. It's like a dozen of us running around on track, just together within a, 1,000 feet of each other. Flip flop. Oh, you're letting off too early. Come on. Full stick again. Don't be scared. A little bit scared. And then not really entering this fast because the bike's not turning because I got it too high. You can actually kind of see if you look at the fork cap, it's a little bit low down the triple clamp. I'm probably about 2 mil higher in the front than I should be, I think. Oh, these long rights right here. What is it? 16, 17, or no, 15, 16, because here's 17. Yeah, those long rights. Oh, it's just forever on the right-hand side. You want to go faster through there just so you don't have to keep doing it, All right, we're touching a 140. It's not the fastest we've been today, but it's definitely, we're starting to get down to a pace. With all these guys jostling around and we're fighting for position, it's just, it is what it is. Come on, here we go. Roll on the gas, get up this hill. I'm not wide enough. I got to get wider there so I can come in tighter at the top of the hill. Listen to the bike. Listen to that. A little bit of tire in there. Yeah, the clutch is stock. It's a stock slipper clutch, which if you feather it right, it's fine. But I'm not feathering it. I'm just throwing the lever like that. So obviously it's kind of locking for a second and then juddering around, and the shock can't hang on to it. See, I hear that burp, little burp between the corners. A little bit more, a little bit harder next time, and then obviously get on the gas sooner coming down Charlotte's Web, or Museum, excuse me. You can actually roll that gas on full stick. Whoa, Luis, is that Luis? That is Luis. Looks like he had a mechanical. I remember last year he had a lot of clutch issues. Maybe that was it this time. You don't need to brake that hard, dude. Yeah, the hill will slow you down. I mean, again, they're not leaving me, but that's probably because more of these guys are jumping around each other than just my pace, keeping up with them. See, it just takes forever to get around 16. You gotta come into it a little bit quicker. My line's too tight. 17, I feel okay exiting, and I get, out to the rumbles there. That's not bad. But then here, I'm probably braking a little bit. Yeah, braking at the 4-board. That's too soon. Nah, you need to be up to the 3-board. And then come in tighter here. Now watch, you should be wrong going out to the rumbles on the right. And I'm still mid-track, even a little bit left of track. Or left of center. Hey, there's the other AA Ron. It's a tank driver. And he's driving that R6 pretty well, actually. But we're going to try to catch up to him. Let's go. Ball stack. Again, staying with him. Ooh, yellow flag. Someone's in the ditch in the back. I do not know who that is. He's way out there and he's joining back on track. Okay, so he's a novice. It's great for me. I don't mind the entry to the museum. It's not bad. You just come in tight right here and then burp the throttle real quick and catch a little, you know, 20 feet on the guy in front of you. But then you gotta roll the gas on harder down this hill. I'm not rolling it on soon enough. I'm kind of getting to the bottom and then going. I need to roll it on basically at the top and just let the bike sink into the corner. And a flip-flop's not, yeah, we didn't go all the way out. We weren't going fast enough coming in. 39s, hey, we're in the 39s. That's good. Still about 5 seconds off a real pace, but whatever. There we go, up the hill. You want to actually be going fast enough to where you're still leaned over at the top of the hill. And then you just throw it down here into, I believe that would be 15, because this is 16. And you patient, all the way around and keep cutting it back. There you go, so you're wide for the entry of 17, and then boom, full stick. All the way out to the rumbles, use the whole track, let the bike run wide. Again, bring out the four-board. Why? I don't know. It's too soon, but hey, whatever. They're not leaving me, so it's not necessarily the wrong thing, but definitely not the fastest way around that track. Come on, guys, let's get up there. We're still just chasing them, which is, I mean, again, like, guys, I keep saying it, but at this point in the season, I'm telling you, I feel like I can't ride, I can't race, you know, I'm not staying with anybody. So when I'm seeing all these guys up here, I'm like, yes, get a little bit antsy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We're going to double it up. Oh, Patrick, sorry, buddy, caught you napping. Now park it. There you go, and pull it off. That's how you do it. I literally had to just park the bike down at the bottom of the apex, not to run into Patrick, but I couldn't let him cut the inside like he was trying to. Now we're going to focus on the guy in front of us. That's Chase. You'll notice he launched past me on the start, which is not uncommon for my starts or suck. There we go, full stick. We're going to chase. Which again, at this point, I'm like, he's been leaving me all season. There he is. Let's reel him in. Let's go. Full stack. Boom. Oh my gosh, that was probably one of the best transitions I've had in that corners. Come on, where's Chase? We don't care about your butt, Aaron. Get out of the way. Up over the hill. Throw it down in there. Closer to the rumbles. Oh, you're 2 feet wide. Oh, Chase is still there. I think this was his first weekend at this track. Yes, good on 17 or 16. We're gonna come wide for 17. Full stick. Come on. Not bad. He's still there where he's not running away. Now break deep. Ooh, it's a little bit. Yep, we were gonna make that. Oh, Patrick's back there, and that guy I think who ran off is back there as well. I don't know who that is yet because I haven't seen his name flash up yet. And Aaron's back there still. Feisty little guys. Let's go. You guys don't understand how high you're traveling and then come down on that hill. It's insane. Yes, go around, Chase. Ooh, where are we going? Dude's following out Kyle. That's his name. Come on, Kyle. Get in here, buddy. Now that's a good line. See, he drove down in there and then fired it off. He's out to the rumbles all the way on the right. Well, rider's right. But Chase got a good drive too. Here he comes. Get out the way, fool. Yeah, he wouldn't let me have that one because he's been beating me up pretty much all season, so I don't think he was going to let me run in front of him. There'd be a stigma to that, I think. Plus, he'd have it all over YouTube. Let's go. Come on, Aaron, you can do it. You passed all these dudes here. We might be able to come down into whatever this. Whoa, Kyle's coming back. Dude, Kyle's quick, man. Ran off, and he got chased too. Look at that. Got us both. Dude, hats off, man. That's incredible. It's the last lap, and I'm kind of like resolved to hold this position, I think. Aaron's looking for a way, but I gotta be slow at the apex so he doesn't dive underneath me. And I think I have it. Yep. You ain't catching me from here, buddy. Wow. What a race. Non-stop action. Hey, like and subscribe and all those good. Whoa. That was a little close, Aaron, but maybe I rolled off too soon, so probably my fault a little bit. Anyway, all right, guys. Check you later.